Welcome back, friends. Today I have some fun crafts for you to make with your kids using clothespin. These are from Dollar Tree and you can find a whole pack for $1.25. I'm going to start by bringing together 10 of them and I'm just going to separate them all. So basically remove the little hardware that's in the center by just separating the two wooden pieces. We're not going to need the little metal pieces, but you can always keep them for future crafts. Now I'm going to join two of the pieces back to back, so on the flat side. And I'm going to use hot glue because it goes a little quicker, but of course you can use wood glue or whatever other glue you like. I'm going to do the same thing on all 10 pieces. I am now going to separate all pieces into groups of 5, so 2 groups of 5, because we are painting them in different colors. The first group I am painting in this beautiful agave color by Waverly chalk paint. I love the coverage. One coat was sufficient, but of course you can choose any color you want. Once painted, I'm just going to put them to the side to dry. I'm going to do the same thing to the other 5, except I'm going to paint them yellow. But again, as I say, always tell you, use whatever color you want, whatever you like. I'm just going to give them again one coat and then set it to the side to fully dry. All right, so my blue ones are dry. I'm going to start with those. We are now going to join 2 of them together on the flat bottom portion. You see that flat bottom portion? Just add a little glue and then join another one right to it. We're creating like a little V, and we're just going to do that with 4 of them. Then we're going to join those 2 to one of them, creating what will look like a dragonfly. I think it's adorable. I'm going to add a little glue on the end and then just attach it right there to the side. I'm going to cut a popsicle stick in half. I'm going to add hot glue and then place it on the back of the dragonfly. This is going to add more stability so it doesn't come apart. I'm going to do the same thing with the yellow dragonfly, just doing 2 pieces together, creating 2 little wings, and then attaching them to the side of one of the pieces. And then the second piece of the popsicle stick, I'm just going to add to the back of that one. Now this is where you can add whatever you want to it. You can add glitter, you can add rhinestones, whatever you want. I'm going to take this very metallic golden marker and I'm going to line all the edges. I just thought that would bring a nice contrast, especially to the blue one. Now on the yellow one, in the camera, you can't really tell that it's there, but in real person, trust me, you can see it. It's shimmery, it's glittery, and it looks so pretty. So I'm just going to line all the edges, and that's it. It dries really quickly. All right, so for these, I'm just going to add a little piece of this magnet. This is because I would love to use these on my fridge for the kids to just, just look at and play with. So I'm just going to add a little hot glue. Although it does come with a little sticky part, I think adding a little hot glue just makes it nice and sturdy. And that's it. How adorable is this? Oh my word. Such a fun and easy craft you can do with your kids. But let me know what you think down in the comments. For this next Dollar Tree DIY craft, we are going to take another clothespin, of course, and we're going to paint this one gray. I'm just going to give it one full coat, and then of course we're going to set it to the side to dry. Then I am going to take a piece of poster board, this is just one I had left over, and some pinking scissors. These are the ones that leave like the zigzag motion. I'm going to cut down the flat, clean side, leaving very little amount to the side. I want to create what will look like teeth because we are creating a shark. So I'm just going to cut a nice strip, and then I'm going to take a gray pipe cleaner and I'm going to fold in 1 inch. That way we're going to have the shape of a V in a 1 inch. You can also make it a little smaller. And I think hindsight, I think I would have done this just a little smaller. All right, so then I am going to grab a couple of googly eyes and then make some marks 1 inch in between the strip of poster board and just cut. Now that the clothespin is dry, I'm going to just hot glue those strips on the sides of it, one facing downward and the other one facing upward. This is going to make it look like teeth. Isn't that cute? All right, I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Once attached, I'm going to then attach the googly eyes, just one next to each other. Leave it kind of like offset because you want both of them to fit there. And then add a little glue on the bottom of each section of the pipe cleaner. This is going to look like the shark's fin. I'm going to do the same thing on a second one because I just thought it was the cutest thing ever. But I'm going to speed it up for you. Basically, I'm just going to paint it green. This is because this one is going to be either a dragon or a dinosaur, whatever you want it to be. While it's drying, I'm going to cut pipe cleaners in the green. And this time we're going to make 1/2 inch little triangles or V's. A couple of googly eyes, and then I'm going to cut another strip of the poster board. I'm going to mark 1 inch apart and cut them. And again, these will be the teeth for our dragon. And then, of course, once the clothespin is dry, we just want to hot glue those teeth, one on each side. So one at the top, one at the bottom, and do that on both sides so that it looks like teeth. And now I'm going to attach the pipe cleaners to the top, and I'm just going to add a little dab of hot glue and then just place them in a row, one next to each other. This is going to look like that dragon or that dinosaur look. You know what I'm talking about. All right, then of course we got to add the googly eyes, and these are a little bigger, so I just want to leave enough room for both of them to fit, but a little dab of hot glue on each side will work perfectly. It, my friends. Let me show you how cute these look together. Oh my gosh, we have a shark and a dinosaur or a dragon. It doesn't matter. The fun part is that you can play with them. But let me know what you think down in the comments. I have another video here for you with tons more of Dollar Tree DIY crafts inspiration. Check it out. I'll see you later and have fun crafting.